Hi! We're going to make turon, Filipino style. Okay, now we need to have these following ingredients. We need to have a ripe banana saba, okay, and jackfruit, okay, and then of course the wrapper, the lumpia wrapper, brown sugar, and 1 egg to close the wrapper.
Hey, I'm blocking it.
Okay, so now we're going to cut the banana and we cut this in two. We want the ripe banana. We don't want hard bananas. We want ripe. Okay, which means because it's sweet and soft. And so we need to, there. I'll just make a few so we will not make this video that long. And then we'll make everything nice and clean. We are going to get the jackfruit, and we're going to cut them in strips.
Okay. Ruining the game.
Like that. You can just use your fingers. There.
It's ruining the game.
Okay. And then beat the egg. This will be to close the egg roll. Release the egg. Or you can use water. Okay. Then we can start. You get the wrapper. And you get the banana and put the brown sugar. And then get the jackfruit. Put the strips next to each other. It depends, if you want more, you can add more. And then you go ahead now and wrap. Okay, and then you put the egg to seal the wrapper. And then you're ready to fry. Okay, you know now how to do turon, and then you go ahead and deep fry your turon. Bye!